want to take a profit, just take around the 17. So let me just see who's here. Hello, Goku. Hope you're doing great. What you hunting today? We have a lot of volatility for BBIG. Yes, of course. We're gonna cover naked or CENN. Bien sûr. As in France, they said, bien sûr. So, welcome everyone. Yassine, hello. Ukral. Where are you from, Ukral? This name is a bit strange. Hello, Heather. Bonjour à tous. I just passed my French exam, okay? So I can speak français couramment. So yeah, it's been a big objective for me to get my French degree, okay? So yeah, it's been a big challenge for me for the last year, so I passed the French language. It's kind of crazy because there's a lot of exceptions in French language, but it's good. It's kind of open your mind to tab to another kind of. When you learn new language, you have another a new way of thinking. Anyway. Welcome Turkey, welcome shawarma. So I like Turkey because I eat a lot of shawarma over there and kebab. It's my favorite, and the food is really cheap over there. Heather, yes, it's always, if you want to learn a language, if you want to learn how to trade, it's always starting with the first step. If you know bonjour, this is good, okay? This is the start. If you have $10, this is the start. The $10, if you trade it, if you compounding $10 with 10% or 5% each trade, you can actually make millions, okay? Technically. Heather, yeah, my first language is Arabic. But right now, I kind of, I don't use it at all because I speak, I write, I think, I sleep in English, okay? And right now, French is dictating my English because I started reading books in French right now. Welcome everybody. So let's go. Yeah, I love BBIG. Yeah, BBIG is exploding, everybody. No, ChargePoint is exploding right now, man. Okay, guys, let me tell you. This is the holy dip of all dips, okay? I'm just saying, this is the holy dips of all dips. So ChargePoint went to perfect dip that we waiting for a month, okay? When we trading here, what we said on Discord, here on our Discord, and our Trading Jesus Patreon, what we said for the people who want to invest in ChargePoint, I said, wait, let the price come to you. And what's happened? Yes, we went there around the 1440, perfect price. So what I expect for the price to go? Yes, for the next week, around here. Between the 17 and the 19, will be a perfect trade, okay? I'm talking about the midway, okay? Midway or short-term profit taking. However, for ChargePoint, we can actually go around the 25 or even over around the 36, okay, for this year, okay? So there's a big potential for ChargePoint. And even after 5 years, we can see it if over the $100 or $200, okay? So let's go to BBIG. So look with me, BBIG, we expected the price to have a bounce around this technical area, the $2.16 double bottom, perfect charging point around the $2.16, and we expanded from this ascending line. This was a trigger, the first trigger here. The second one is around the $3.22, and right now holding. Look what's happening right now. Before the market close, of course, a lot of people trigger profit taking, okay? So right now, look what's going on. We have our exponential average. You see? Boom! Acting as a support. And we have another support. We have double support. And right now, let me just go in 1 hour. I think we tested the... Yes! Right now, 1 hour. Right now, we tested the support perfectly. A candle without a wick. This is really strong. The $3.83. Testing it while we speak right now. Let me go in 15 minutes. Yeah, just right now we have 1 hour like tested our support and bounded from it. So right now I will just be extra careful. The $3.80 is it. This is the last bottom if we want to have a squeeze for BBIG. I'm just saying, okay? After we dropped from the $4.26, big fight happened here, okay? We have a support here. So we need to hold the $3.80. Mark this price. Mark this price up. Tell your friend, tell everybody. BBIG, if we want to squeeze the $3, the $3.80, okay? $3.80. This is the last bottom. If we want to see the squeeze around the $5. Simple as that, okay? Case closed, okay? A lot of people talk like in YouTube, they tell you about their life story or what. So let me just... Okay, so a lot of people talk about the price about BBIG and like they told you the story about their life. So I'm trying to make it cut and short and just saying here. And again, AMC. Look what's going on for AMC. Anyone hunting for AMC? Anyone know where the price will gonna hunt for AMC? Just type it down right now in the live chat. Just tell me what's the price that we said for AMC will go to and we're gonna hunt. If you're a hunter, you know the price for AMC right now. Come on, let me see the price for AMC right now that we're gonna hunt for it. Because right now it's around the 20, okay? Right now it's around the 20.42. So we said AMC will go to a right price value that we're gonna hunt. So let me see the price on the live chat. Okay. Yes, Luis. VLTA. We're gonna go through it as well for sure. Let's hunt. Yes, Luis, he got it right. Above the 17, okay, not 17 right, but above the 17. So Luis, he got it right. He got the right answer. Perfect. 1732. We're gonna see a big visit here. You know what's gonna happen here? This will happen exactly the same scenario that it happened here. A big wick. The price will jump in a second. Okay, like this one. The price will jump like almost 50%, or I don't know how much we did when we visit this price. Yes, almost 50%. So this will be a really interesting price right now. I'm just waiting for this price, okay? I'm gonna just put buy limit order here. 1730 will be crazy price, okay? The moment that we visit, we're gonna see a bounce at least 20% up, or the best price that I'll see it where here around the 2550. From the 17, we're gonna see a bounce until the 2550. This is how we do it. Just mark this price up, okay? I'm just not kidding. 44% this time, not 50%. We're gonna do 44%, okay? So let me see the first request from our hunter, which is Yassine. We're gonna go to SOS in shortly, but let me just take Luis because he asked me on Patreon and I didn't reply because I was trading today heavily on BBIG. So sorry, Luis, I didn't reply to you like before the open in the market. I was like distracted. Okay. Thank you, Luis. Thank you, Luis. VLT B. Wait a second. Let me check what you said again, Luis. VLTA. VLTA. Exactly what we gonna say right now. So look with me, Luis, what's going on here. Okay. Luis, we talked about it before. I believe we talked about it around last year in October when we bought this ascending line. What we said, we're gonna see the price squeeze on this. I believe I remember correctly. I got requested for this stock from our hunter. I don't know, you or one of my hunters. We talked about it. We said don't buy until we have a confirmation candle above the $7.37. And guess what? After we have this mini ascending line, perfect triangle. You see, this is perfect triangle. And what the price that's trigger? This one, this candle. This is give us the green light to buy. And guess what happened? The price shoots up, and we did the perfect trade, and we got out almost 100%, almost around the 13. Then the price go down and go down again. So right now, what I'm gonna tell you, never buy right now. Is really risky, okay? So for this one, I will be clear from it until we go up over the $7.37 because it's confirmed a perfect support and the resistance. So right now, I will be clear from it at least just put notification, Luis, right now around this area, okay? Around the $6.72. So this is a different resistance level was formed right now. So if we overcome this time the $6.72 would be good. Right now I would not that shit, okay? Thank you, Luis. Thank you, Luis. Okay, Luis, if you want to use your money, okay, because we might dip even more, so you buy okay, I'm gonna make a strategy for you, Luis. Look with me. If you want to buy for long, there's two strategy. You don't buy, okay, because we might go even lower, and you buy even lower. You might buy around the 3 or 2. You never know. Because we can predict the future, what's gonna happen. There's a lot of probability. There's a lot of factors. However, if you don't want to fear and missing out if the price jump again over the 13, as I said, if we overcome this level, close above the $6.72, you buy, okay? Because the price is ready to jump, and you get money quick. You can actually even swing trade it. So right now, there's no bottom. You might get it cheaper, so just wait, okay, for this one. Okay, let me see the first. Yeah, Goku, let's buy where you see it heading. Good question. Okay, like on the please don't forget to like the video before you get in, okay? Hit the like button and let's kick the YouTube algorithm, okay? Boom. Let me just do the SPY. And you know that there is a possibility for you to share the video, okay? So there is a possibility that we can expand the Hunter tribe or this video just by share it, okay? So sharing it with your family. Let's make everybody make money with us. So let's see the SPY. So let's buy. Okay, Goku. It look interesting to me right now. The SPY is still bullish. For me, it's still bullish. We have, look with me. There is really interesting. Okay, this is interesting because if you see the SPY, even everybody said we are getting in bear market. When you go in the big picture and 1 day chart here, you see 1 day chart. You see that the SPY is still in pull market, pull momentum, okay? Because every time we go down around the 454, we got bought back here. And right now we actually have a green candle forming again. So For us to confirm that we still in this bullish momentum, we just need to hold this ascending line, and this will confirm that we will continue up. So if someone tell you we're gonna see the market crash, oh, the market is crashing, there is COVID, there's thing, tell them Jesus said the market is bullish, okay? Just tell them that. Because whenever the SPY is over the 454, the market is still bullish, okay? This is good indication to see the market as a whole, okay? If the SPY or the SPY 500 is above the 454, it means we're still bullish. If we break and close below here around, let me tell you, 448 or 448, I'm gonna tell you we are bearish. And we might even go around this technical area, the 421. This is the next big crash. If we have a crash, oh man, charge point crossing the 1452. Luis, did you bought the dip, Luis, for charge point? You see what I did right now? Alert on charge point. Charge point is charging up. We went until the 14 something 10 cent. Right now it's 1452 and charge point is going up. Yeah, 1453 and still jumping up before the market close. You see, we have two candle bumping up, and right now I put it the trigger because this is technical level right now, and there is a sign there's a lot of people buying right now charge point before the market close. So this is your time to buy before the next week, because I think charge point will really have a big exploding. Again, I think charge point will have a big gap for the next week. I think this is the best dip ever, okay? From all the stock, I put it in my list. You see, this is my stocks. I have HUT, have GameStop, BlackBerry. I waited for a nice dip for BlackBerry, guys, around the $7.79. Just put this level around the $7.79 for BlackBerry, because we go in there. If we go in there for BlackBerry, trust me, this will be the best dip you ever buy for BlackBerry, because this will be like discounted price for BlackBerry. BlackBerry is around the 9, okay? You see, we have kind of always stayed on the 9. You know why? Because this is the price value for BlackBerry. Any price below the 9 for BlackBerry is discounted. So if we go around the $7.79, this is discounted how much? Let me calculate it. This is discounted 18%. So if you see BlackBerry below the 9 or around the $7.79, just see 18% mark discount on BlackBerry, okay? So yeah, charge point is charging up. What else we have? It's charging. Goku, hopefully that was informative and you know the projection for SPY right now. Let me just take a naked or CENN and see what's going on with it. The CNN or naked or Centero Electric Group Limited. Okay, for this one as well have a big dip. However, as well for this one we have a nice dip. Trust me, guys. We have a split or reverse split 1 to 15 around the 22 of December. That's why the price jumped down from the 9 until the 3. So this one is going okay. For the next week, I think we're gonna see a price going around the $2.24. So the dip is not over yet. So if you want to average down or you buy, the $2.24 is the price to be, is the price to load. And again, I think we're gonna see a rejection, a big rejection around the $4.87. So the game plan for Naked or Centero Electro Group Limited, what you're gonna do, the price go here around the $2.24 and 30. You load up here, take your profit here. Let me just calculate how much we can make here. Wow. 117% gain for this game. Thank you for bring this up for us. Okay, so I'll put here the SPY here and this one for, okay, Moderna, we have ChargePoint, yeah, even Moderna, we have BlackBerry. So yeah, we have a lot of shopping to do for the next week. Yeah, we have Tiago, welcome my brother, one of our hunter here on YouTube membership. So I know Tiago is one of my members because he have a red green tag on him. So I'm gonna do a priority for one of our hunters because he asked about PROG. I'm gonna cover Tiago Martin PROG request first, then we're gonna go around the other. Luis, yes, you got ChargePoint yesterday. Yes. Today it was better dip, you know. Today it was a great dip. Okay, I trust me, Luis. I got a bit FOMO as well because I want to buy ChargePoint. Okay, today it hit our target perfectly around the 14.26. It went a bit below, however, it never stayed. Just 5 minutes, I think, or 10 minutes, and the price jumped up pretty quick. So let me just check this one. No, PROG for Tiago, PROG. So PROG, has been a while that we didn't cover PROG. Okay, so PROG, I have a target for PROG because we went below the $2.14. So Tiago, there's a big potential that we're gonna see a rejection below the $2, which is here, even for the next week. Even we see a buying pressure here. I think the price will get rejected around the $1.80. Then we're gonna go back around the $1.20. So $1.20 should be the bottom for PROG. Before we're gonna see a squeeze, if there is a squeeze like BBIG, as we said, the bottom was around the $2.16. For PROG should be the $1.20. So I think a PROG was heavily shorted and heavily talked about in Reddit. Let me just make sure of that and go here. Okay. And see the short squeeze stock. We have BBIG first, of course, heavy talked about. Then we have Goldman Sachs. Let me see PROG. Yeah, PROG is the 7th. Okay, is raising right now. It's raising 4 steps up. So before it was the first PROG, right now is the 7th. So PROG is still heavily shorted and heavily talked about in Reddit, so it's good. So as I said, PROG I will re-enter and do even swing trade around the $1.20 would be interesting buying pressure here. As I said, I will put, thank you for remind me, I just put, wait a second. There's interesting price right now. I think even right now, I think there's wow, yeah, the $1.48 as well, I think. Yeah, let me just do this. Yeah, we bought perfectly around it. This is crazy. Okay, there's a correction right now. I think by $1.48, I think this might be the bottom. Okay, so if we hold this level, will be the bottom. And this will confirm if this is the bottom if we explode from it. Okay, so I would put 2 trigger for this one. You see, if you want the Trading View Pro version and you have alert as me here, you can check the link in comment section and you get discount with me for Trading View. So let me just put it on $1.81 to ignite the ignition. If the price go above, it's mean we're gonna see the price go higher, and if the price go down, you see guys, that's how I hunt. So I just sleep and let the price come to me. So here $1.44. So if the price for PROG go below the $1.44, is mean we're gonna go or visit the $1.20, which is the juicy price that I'm gonna hunt. You see, I'm hunting the price from below, I'm hunting price from up, so the price will never go anywhere. It's a trap. I'm trapping the price from up, I'm trapping the price from down. So if the price go up, I'm gonna make my trade. If the price go down, I make my trade. So the price never go anywhere. And this is never, you let yourself get FOMO, okay? And you never miss any price movement. Because come on guys, I have like almost 100 stocks or over. So I can't keep track of all of them if I don't do this. So this is kind of a good way to track all the stocks if you heavily trading or day trading like me. Yes, Elite. No problem, Tiago. Bedro, franchement, tu top dans de l'explication. Merci, merci Bedro. Merci. Okay. We have another question for ATER from Luis. So let me just check Luis. ATR. Yeah, ATR is okay. You know what I have? We have BBIG that is actually ignited. Okay, what we have else that will ignite? We have PROG and we have ATR. Trust me, those two is just sleeping because it already have a lot of buzz in Reddit, and right now they're sleeping and they are around the bottom. You see, they are around perfect bottom. So for ATR, Luis, just put a notification for this one. You know what I'm gonna do? I make it simpler. I put it here. You see this clock here? I just go there and go here and put create alert on ATER. You know what I'm gonna do? The $5.80, let's say 85. I put 5.85. Please, Luis, do it with me, okay? Just put notification right now. 585. So the 585, this is will trigger the squeeze. Other than that, you waste your time. If you just buy right now, you miss opportunity cost. What does it mean? So you just buy here and you just waiting. And what you do, you go on YouTube and you're looking for news and you're looking on Twitter. People will say, ATR will go to 10,000. Someone will, ATR will go to 0. You be paranoid. We don't need this, okay? We want to make some money. So I'm just giving you the shortcut and tell you when a price come to us around the $5.85 and closing confirmation candle, that's the trigger to get in. Like what happened to BBIG? You just make money. You don't have to put money and wait for it to explode. This is not trading. This is waste of time and waste of energy and resources. So hopefully that was affirmative. Just forget about it. $5.85 and that's it. So then let me... Louise like sleeping stocks. Exactly, RELI, exactly, Rabas. Okay, about CEI, as I said, CEI will go to our price of action, which is the 66. CEI is, I think, is going to 0.66, as I said, 0.73. Yeah, it's going there. It's going there. It's just a matter of time. Look what happened. Look what happened. 0.70. Okay, then we bounce until the 0.76, And what I said, again, what I said, look, is perfect. We're still inside this perfect channel. So what you tell me, if we need anything will happen to Camper Energy, price close here, $1. Hallelujah, the price will squeeze. Okay? The price doesn't close here and close here, the price will go even down, okay? I'm just saying. And even if we don't hold the 0.66, this is the bottom I can see. If we don't have avalanche of selling pressure, this is the bottom that should be having a genuine bounce. Right now is a plane, okay? This is not, this is what's happening right now. Retail trader buying, not like a big whale buying, okay? So that's why the price is still trending down, okay? Price go up, short seller selling, some people taking profit, price go down. Retail trader buying and short seller selling. Retail buying, short seller selling. Retail buying and short seller selling, and right now retail trader buying again. So that's why I don't need to do this kind of trade. Doesn't make me any money. What would make me money if we close above the $1, above this channel, and explode almost 100%. This is, I'm gonna go in and put my money, okay? I don't want to waste my time to get 5%, 2%, okay? So this is kind of, if you're gonna trade in this channel, you're gonna lose money because it's unpredictable, okay? And a lot of stress, and the price go jump up and down, jump up and down. But the best price to jump in when we have straight jumping up, because we have a big buying pressure and exploding from the short position that we have drawn here, okay? Right, Luis. Luis, you're learning really big, valuable information right now. Okay, because this is kind of you disciplined your emotion. You discipline yourself by just not buying. This is the hardest thing to learn in trading. Not jumping in, but let the price come to you. And even when you take a profit, let the price hit your target before you enter, okay? So if we said the charge point will hit 17 or 19, 15, you never get out. You just take a profit on the 19, 15, okay? And never re-enter and you like come in, come out. This is child play. We want to trade as a fixed strategy. Let me just go back and see what we have. We might miss some question. By the way, I'm just I'm drinking kiwi juice. I don't know if you can see it. It's green. I don't know, like, yeah, it tastes really good. And yeah, Farida, we already talked about ATR. Hopefully you saw it. Oh, you are Parisian living in Canada. How's Canada? I really like to visit, but some people told me it's really dangerous if you go to the like the mountain, because there is cougars, and here in France is like it's so peaceful. You can see like wild animals, but I miss this kind of thing, you know, like bears and tigers and I don't know. So here in France and Europe is so boring because there's no excitement. You can't be killed by animals, you know. The animals is just dogs and cats. Daniel from Korea, welcome. I like P-pop music. It's my favorite from Asia. What's your first? Okay, what we have here. Assalamu alaikum, Heather. So yeah. Yassine King, bravo. Thank you. Okay, what we have. Okay, let's get right to it. Hola, April. Hopefully you have a nice trading day today. It was a big roller coaster ride because I traded BBIG. It was a big roller coaster ride. I bought before the $4. I sell around the $4.25. Then I buy around the $3.85. Then I sell around the $4. It was crazy trades. It was fast, you know. You make 7%, then you sell, then you buy around the support, then you sell. So this kind of trade is kind of overwhelming and stressful because I don't do this kind of trade like heavily trading. I prefer like swing trading. No, I didn't cover SNDL yet. And Wish, I didn't cover it yet. Hi, brother. Welcome, brother. I covered AMC, MAT, nope, I didn't cover it yet. Okay, I'm gonna cover Luis and Rohit first because they are one of our hunter on Patreon, so I'm gonna cover their requests. Sorry for that. Wait a second, let me just check Exella first for Luis. And Rohit, he just came up here and asked about AMC and MAT. Okay, Rohit, I'm gonna just do a quick recap for you for AMC. And okay, and if you have another question, we're gonna discuss it on Patreon, no problem, okay? So let me get AMC pretty quick for you. Okay, before we go to AMC, let me check charge point. So yeah, charge point is still charging up. The beginning of streaming, it was around 1445. Right now 1460, and did really nice bounce from the support around the 3% 40. And I predict by like the next week we're gonna see at least that's for this kind of support resistance around the 15. Okay, this is target will be tested for the next week. Okay, and I think this will be the bottom, and the price will go at least around the 19. So this is a really nice trade, and closing the end of the week with a nice trade like this one. Okay, let's go to AMC. Rohit, look with me. AMC gonna be rejected right now. If I'm have CFD account, I'm gonna short AMC right now around the 2080. This will be a nice opportunity to short AMC right now. Okay, short AMC, the price will go here. 17 would be perfect price to buy again. 1730, as I said, Rohit, this will be a perfect bounce. And after we visit the 1730, the profit taken will be the 2551. So it's lowered from the 3387 right now, 2551. So if we want to see like a momentum shift changer for AMC is the 2551, and I believe we're gonna see this after we have a bounce from the 1732. And next thing, let me just check MAT, and before AMT, let me just go for Exella for Luis. And yeah, this number was like average price, one of my hunter on Patreon, so let me just take it off. And for MAT, look with me, Luis. For Exella is really like easy trade. Whenever Exella is still trending below this ascending line and below this execution average, is bearish. I don't buy. I'm not buying right now, okay? Because the price will go around the 0.2865. This will be at the bottom for Exella, okay? This will be a perfect bottom, okay? So anybody want to buy Exella, just wait. You see, I'm hunting for it. Exella, alert, crossing the 0.39. So I put it in 0.3924 just in case I might not be near my laptop or something like this. So I'll be extra careful. I will be ready for it, because the 0.2865 will be the juiciest. The juice will come out from my mouth if I bought this dip for Xzilla. So for Xzilla, I'm just waiting. I'm just selling my car, selling my house to buy around this level, okay? Will be perfect dip for Xzilla, okay? So the 0.2865 I will buy, and the trigger for the squeeze here, when the price go above this ascending line, around I can't say it exactly, because the chart is subjected to a lot of changes, so I can't say when we can see exploding from here. After we come around the support, I will do a video to tell you when we're gonna see the confirmation for the squeeze. However, this is the support. Hopefully that was good and informative, Luis. And please put the trigger, like I said here, so you never you forget, okay? And let me just go for MAT. MAT. So look with me. MAT $1.91 almost visited. We went until the $2.04. So look with me. Right now we have kind of support around the $1.91, and the confirmation for change this big downtrend that we have. You see this massive like between the $8 and the $2 massive volatility brought down MAT down after we have the reverse split around June last year. So I see like a bit of dormant phase happening for MAT, because we are below this volatility box, below the $2.80. So any price below the $2.80, this is dormant phase. We don't see a lot of volatility. So hopefully we hope to have hold above this support, which will be around give or take around the $1.70, $1.90. This should be the support, because we don't want to see the price go around the one. So this is let me just correct this, and let me do the same thing that I did with BBIG. If you saw here, if you saw BBIG when we did this box, because when the stock is really volatile, we have to do a box, okay? Because the price will gravitate and be bought back around this area. So I will do it the same for BBIG, which is around this box here between the $1.70 and the $2, okay? This should be it for MAT, the last bottom to bounce from. Then we're gonna see the price go up and test this again. There's a massive test again for MAT around the $2.80. Okay, so if someone didn't bought MAT, this will be a nice dip as well, and the profit taken should be first around the $2.80, yeah, 50%. So there's a lot of stocks as visiting really nice support. What's up, hunters? Bahar, Charge Point, keep going. Bahar, what I said, Bahar, what I said on Patreon. You told me I want to buy. I said the 1426. Wait, Bahar, wait, Bahar. So this is a good a lesson to you to wait, like Louis, who waited until he bought the charge point and discounted price. That's why I said when you wait, the price always being bought at the right exact price value. So for ChargePoint, it didn't bought back before because it wasn't the exact price value. You see, like what happened right now, it's still bumping. 1472 is still bumping, and we still have almost over half an hour. So I think we're gonna see another bump, and hopefully, okay, guys, right now 0.47 in red. Okay, we need ChargePoint to end today in green. Okay, so what we missing? We missing 41%. So let me just calculate it. 41%, around let me just, yeah, 1480 right now, 1473. So if we close around the 1480 today, this will be a massive signal for the next week for a big momentum changer and bullish momentum for ChargePoint. If we close in green today around the 1480, this will be nice. We're gonna go back to it before we close the live streaming, and before that we're gonna see AMC. Let's go. Yes. Hopefully you're ready to buy around the technical level that we show. Luis, you're hunting for a lot of stocks. What happened to Dogecoin? So Naked is up. Wow, yeah, Naked is up. Wow. So it's 19% up right now. So let me see what's going on. Wow, yeah, 12% up. Yeah, because it's really near the support, the $2.24. We went until the $2.57 and still bombing. This is really crazy what's going on with Naked right now. So yeah, for Naked, we expect the price to have a bit of mini resistance and turbulence for sure. It will be around this area. So I'll be extra careful around the $3.55 would be tested for Naked or Centero Electric Group. The first resistance is the $3.55. Right now $3.12. So I will just be extra careful here, or extremely careful around the $3.55, because this will be hit pretty soon. If we hit it today, it would be really crazy, because I think this will be another 12%. I don't know if we have the momentum before the market close, another 12% for Naked to go to there. Maybe this test would be for the next week. And ChargePoint, I think we're gonna end today in a green. Okay, it's gonna bomb, like I said. 0.27%. Come on, 25%, then 20%. Yeah, it's bombing like crazy, ChargePoint. So yeah, 20% in negative. Come on, we need it green. I'm not changing the screen until we see it green. Okay, we're gonna see it in green right now. I think just for another 5 minutes we're gonna see it in green. 14%. Come on, who's gonna give me 10% for a ChargePoint? Naked 3 months ahead, $100, guys. Wow. Yes, Shiba Inu. Exactly, Luis. We're not sleeping, Luis. Even if in the weekend we trade in crypto. So for crypto, I think for crypto we have a green things going on right now. So for Shiba, it's going 4% up. Look, for Shiba is going good because we're holding above this ascending line. Perfect holding. Dogecoin as well holding above the 0.1776. However, we got rejected around the 0.2164. Matic got bought back around this support, which is the $2.20. So I already have a price level on Bitget, so I'm ready to buy around this level. Let me just do refresh for here. So yeah, and for this one, what we have, let me just check your question. Volta, goodbye. Volta is a good buy. Naked is $20, sent to $100. Okay, wait a second. Let me just check. Okay, April asked about MTTR. Okay, guys, Monday I think is day off, yeah? So can someone confirm if Monday is day off? Let me just confirm, yes. Stock market open time. Let me just check pretty quick what's going to happen by Monday. Come on, not this one. Yes, here. So 2020. Okay, Martin Luther King, 17, Monday. So yeah, it's closed. The market is closed. That's why everything is bumping up right now, because we have a long weekend. Happy Martin Luther King, everyone. Everyone in America. My people. Anybody living in America is my people. So congrats and congratulations about the holidays. Here in Europe is open. Yes. So that's why the market is volatile right now. A lot of people buying long weekend. So a lot of people trading right now. Yes, Martin Luther King. Yeah, the next Monday we have Washington birthday. Okay, I didn't know this birthday before. Okay, this is really interesting. So yeah. Let me just go here, see the crypto that have volatile. Yes, guys, who actually buying Harmony? Because it's kind of bumping up right now. Let me check Harmony or one USD Tether. Let me check if we have it on Bitget here. I don't know if we have it. I don't know. 1111 and okay, let's go to Dodge. So Dodge, look with me for Dodge. No, Shiba is better, yeah. Let me go to Shiba. So yeah, for Shiba, I will do buy limit order if we just hold this ascending line. This is crazy perfect, you see? We kind of loading up if each time we bounce from this. So we could actually buy right now, and let me just calculate how much we can risk and gain for this trade. And yes, here. So if we bought around the 0.31 and this is our stop loss would be, wow, this is really nice, 1% 0.23, and the gain would be almost, yeah. So yeah, so really nice to see what's gonna do charge point if we hold this ascending line. And yeah, this will be a really interesting right now if we just overcome this level. Yeah, perfect. It's kind of really, it's kind of squeezed right now around this triangle, you see? Let me just put this. You see this? Nice triangle forming right now for triangle for Shiba to show the price gonna squeeze pretty soon. You see, it's gonna be squeezed. Any price jump here, we're gonna see the price go here. Okay, simple. Okay, the price close above this level, boom, we're gonna jump up. So what I'm gonna do, as I said, I'm just do this. I put this trigger here, and this trigger around this level. This one, if the price go over the 0.403279, the price will squeeze up. If the price go below this level around the 0.403046, the price will jump down. And as I said, you can use 158 trial fund on Bitget, and you can use it here on USDT future. And you just, if you never traded Bitcoin, you can actually try with the 158 gift. So this is kind of a good way to try the platform at the same time, to try to know how to put buy limit order and sell limit order. For me, I always put buy limit order. You see here, buy limit order, and here the leverage, always I put it on 3x on Bitget. There's almost 50. This means if you put 1,000, you get 50,000 worth of trading volume. How this is would be risky, so 3x would be good. And I put buy limit order here. You just you put at what price. As I said, if the price go below here, we can actually short the market. And then you come below and you put the profit taken and stop loss as well. So let me just check what's going on. Let me check one thing. What's going on with our stock? Shiba is still not green. Yeah, it's not green yet. Come on, Shiba. Come on. We can do this. Come on, it's 47. Come on. Yeah, it's really crazy. It's like around the 80. If we close around the 80, it would be crazy good. Anyway, we have even Moderna as well is testing our resistance, which is the 205. So Moderna as well, I put it on my watch list because it looks juicy. SM Energy is bumping up as well because it's holding around the 35.60. And there's a price target, two price target for SM Energy around the 37 and the 40. So let me just put it here. Okay. Okay. This is perfect. Okay, but Harmony today, yes. Aha, so some people bought Harmony today. So let me just check Harmony. I think by far Harmony is the strongest one right now. Good, what do you think about it? Okay, trader. Yeah, Centero is looking good. Yeah, doing good, really good, doing good. Because we went near the support, that's why. MTR or MTTR for Pola or April. Okay. Yeah, April, we got rejected around the 1730. As I said, resistant. Right now, the support should be around the $10.90. And yeah, should be it for MTTR. And as I said, the resistance 1730. And we have kind of midway support is around, right now is being tested around the 1283. So if we close below the 8070, we're gonna see the $10.90. If we bounce from here, this would be nice. Should be the bottom, and the price will go test again the 1730. Okay. And what we have, Volta is a good buy. Yeah, we're gonna check it right now. I think this one. We already talked about it. I said it's not good buy right now. I don't like it because we don't have a bottom. If you want to buy it, it should be above at least the $6.70, and the best should be above the $7.37. And yes. Thank you, Elite. Thank you. And about I will check it right now and see what's going on. So AMP crypto. Yeah, this one, not this one. I think this one, yeah, Elite. So for this one, I will buy if the price go over the 0.04928. Other than that, I will not touch this one. And let me just check again what we have. Okay, let me just check again what's going on with our stocks, the other stocks. Yeah, SM Energy is still bumping up. It's good. Charging point is still in a bit of a red. This is normal. 1473. We went until the 1476. And we still have almost 15 minutes left to market close. I think we're gonna close in green. Okay, this would be really nice if we close above the 1480. What else we have? Yeah, you can join us on Patreon as in the live chat here if you want to pre-market, or meeting with me if you want to discuss your portfolio. Okay, and as I said, always do live alert here. Even on our trading view, you can join me here for the live alert I do for a lot of stocks, you see, and the community section on trading view. So join us with the link in comment section below to get the pro version or the pro plus or the premium, and you can have the alert, access to the alert, and you can comment on my chart and have idea of the chart. If you have any question, you can see a lot of people say amazing chart, and they like kind of straight to the point, and you know where you enter when you exit. So this is kind of for a lot of people who don't use maybe Patreon or Discord, and you just want to use straightforward charts. You can join us here on Trading View. You can find the link in comment section below. Okay, let me just do this. Yeah, again. So happy Martin Luther King, everyone. Hopefully you have a nice long weekend and preparation for the next week. It was a really nice hunting today. I'm gonna do BBIG video for the squeeze continuation for the next week, and CEI and the other stock as usual. So as I said, 8 p.m. Paris time, Friday, live streaming always to hunt for exact price value for the next week. If you have any question, comment section below. Join us in Discord, Patreon, and TradingView. And as I said, get your 158 on Bitget and let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next trading session. Have a great weekend, Bahar. See you on Patreon. No problem, Elite. Have a good one. Always remember, let the price come to you. Never run after the price.